In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Calendar permissions quickly and correctly, whether you want to give someone more access, reduce what they can see, or simply update an existing sharing setting. This guide will walk you through the exact steps inside Google Calendar. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This matters because the calendar permissions you change will only apply to the account you're currently using. Once Google Calendar loads, look at the left side of the screen under the My Calendars section. Here, you'll see a list of calendars connected to your account. Find the calendar you want to update. If you manage multiple calendars, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one so you don't change the wrong sharing settings by accident. Next, click the three dots next to that calendar. This opens the menu with more options for that specific calendar. From the menu, select Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the full settings page for that calendar, where you can control everything from notifications to sharing access. On the settings page, scroll until you find the Share with Specific People or Group section. This is the area where you can see exactly who already has access to your calendar. Look through the list and find the person whose permission you want to change. Once you locate their name, click the permission drop-down next to it. You'll see a list of available access levels, such as viewing free or busy only, viewing all event details, making changes to events, or managing sharing settings depending on the calendar and your account type. Select the new permission level that matches what you want that person to be able to do. For example, if someone only needs to see your availability, you can give them a limited view. If they need to help manage your schedule, you can give them more control. As soon as you choose the new option, Google Calendar saves the change automatically. There's no extra save button to press, so once you select the new permission, you're done. You can simply go back and confirm the setting updated correctly. That's really all it takes to change Google Calendar permissions. It's a fast process, but it's also important to be careful, because sharing the wrong level of access can give someone more visibility than you intended. A good tip is to review your calendar permissions regularly, especially if you work with a team, share family calendars, or use your calendar for scheduling clients. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.